Today we're gonna swap out a bilge pump in here. This bilge pump is not working anymore. The little impeller is rusted off. Taking it out already to look at, but today I'm gonna remove it. This is a cartridge style bilge pump, so it fits into a little bracket that stays mounted in the boat with the hoses. Makes it real easy to remove. You just twist, pull it out, and then snip the wires, and here we can see it. Normally it would have a little impeller on the bottom, like a little propeller maybe, that pumps the water, but the shaft is rusted off probably from all the saltwater use that this boat gets. So I clipped the wires, and I'm going to see if I have another pump handy that I can swap this out and get this bilge pump working again. Alright, today we're going to continue our video on changing the bilge pump. I showed you last time, or in the last clip, how the little propeller was broken off. I intended on changing out this pump with a pump on my other boat, but turns out they're not the same. So I did have to go and purchase another one from a local boat store. Here you can see what it looks like. And the little prop that's missing, that's rusted off on this one. And I had these available for I think it was around $30, just a replacement. But they were on sale, the complete unit, so I got the unit with the container. This gives you some idea of what's down in the bilge. It's a snap in and twists in place. This red section is mounted and screwed to the bottom of the bilge. Has a little screen here where it sucks in the water once the water reaches a certain level, and there's a separate switch that turns that on and off automatically, or the switch up on the console that turns it off. So what we're going to do today, and you're not going to be able to see it, but we're going to splice these wires, use some wire nuts, and then some liquid electrical tape to kind of seal up those wire nuts, just to keep the water from corroding the bare wire that's in the middle of the wire nut. So this will seal it. Wire nuts look like this. And then once we're finished, once we've finished doing the wiring, we'll just snap this into the housing, click it, and we should be good to go. Alright, so next thing up, splice the new wires with the wires that are presently down in the bilge. Alright, now I have the pump hooked up. I haven't put the sealant on there yet because I'm going to go ahead and press the button manually on the deck, on the panel, to be sure that the pump energizes and actually works. Alright, so now we have the pump working. I'm going to go ahead and seal those connections to make sure that we don't get water to corrode inside those wire nuts. Alright, they are glued up. I'm going to give them a couple minutes to tack up, and then I'm going to reinsert the pump into the housing mounted in the bilge. And then we'll get a hose, we'll run water into the bilge, make sure that it comes on automatically, and it actually pumps water out of the boat as necessary. Alright, it's our finished wired bilge pump. Looks like all the glue tacked up a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and insert this down into the cartridge, snap it in place, and then we'll get the hose to fill the bilge and watch it come on. Okay, I hear it spinning. We'll get the hose. It's spinning right now because I turn it on manually. Now it's not on. There's an automatic switch that's going to turn it on once the water gets to a level that activates it. So, gotta go get the hose. Alright, put the hose into the cabin where water is going to drain into the bilge and run to the back of the boat. I've also put the plug in at the bottom. The water you see running out there is water that was filled into the cockpit, the walking area, while I was hosing the leaves out. But we're going to sit here now and just take a look and watch. I believe it's to the top hole or bottom hole right there in the picture should start spewing out water as soon as it gets to a level that's adequate to activate the pump automatically. And there we go. That's what it's supposed to look like. Automatic bilge pump replacement. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope that helped you out. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, or leave a comment. Thanks.